Hello everyone, this is Mashwasta. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Cat.him. So today is Happy New Year, guys, and 1st January. May this year bring so much joy, so much learning, and so much growth for you all. And Happy New Year once again. So let's get started. Today we will say this loft part 2, and we will see how to add loft sections. So I have already created these two planes, plane 1 and plane 2, and this front plane. Okay. So what I will go to do, I am going to do this, making this rectangle here. So this is the rectangle what as a first sketch, and on plane 1 I will go for this uh, polygon which we didn't make in our last lecture. So this is the polygon, and next we will go for this plane 2, and I will make another rectangle here. Now see, there are so many ways to create and to modify geometry in Loft tool. One thing is this add loft section. Okay, so once we create any loft feature, let's just say I go for this loft base, 1, 2, you can see how it is changing, and 3. So we have this loft here, and we can modify the structure like this, right? As we have already done, we can make the normal profile, end profile, and other things, right? Normal there and normal on the start section, normal on the front section, end section. And now we have this. Once we see, if we need any another loop between these three sketches, so first we have to complete the loft. So you just complete this loft, and in order to add loft section, what we need is we need to select this loft feature and right click on it, and you can see it is showing here loft section, add loft section. So we click on it. So we have this plane, and wherever we uh, put this plane, okay. So I will move it to up to like this. Okay, I have selected this area, so it will move here and there. So let's just put it this on this position. You can see the section is looking like this. So let's just add section. Okay. Now in the loft 2, when we drop down it will show you this lofts uh, sketch 8, right? This one, and it is looking like this. So what it is doing is, you can see here it is moving edge in this place. So this add loft section means I have created another loft section between the already created geometry. So the sketch will follow this plane, this angular plane, okay. And wherever it is cross-sect this loft feature, it will mark out the sketch profile. So let's just go and edit it. Now we have this edge. I can make it look like this, and I will make it more budge like this, and let's just make it here budge like this, and also here. So you can modify as you want. Okay, now just complete the sketch. Now what has happened is, you can see the body has changed. You can see there are some bulge here and bulge there. Okay, so and again we can go here. You can see the shape is how it is changing it. So this is how we can change the geometry of the loft. And also if we put our cursor here and go for this add loft section, so our plane will be here and here. So we will go for this, add, click on the sketch 9 is this, you can see here. I will go for this edit feature, and let's just make it more budge here and more yeah, this is actually this is a random thing, so just practice it. Okay, I don't know whether it will fail or cover the structure or geometry. Okay, so let's just go for this one. Okay, now it is covering. So you can see here, just click on this sketch 9, you can see this is the show. So I hope you learn this add log section. In next lecture we will see this guide curves and center line parameters also. So thank you very much, guys, and once again very happy new year to all of you. Take care, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.